Search engine optimization refers to the techniques that get your site listed by the web's leading search engines, enhance your site's ranking, and make your site easier for everyone on the web to find. There are two pieces to search engine optimization: off-page optimization and on-page optimization. Off-page optimization, also known as link building, refers to relevant and reputable sources linking to your site. If you're a moving company, for example, you'll want a real estate site to link to yours. Issuing press releases through an online distribution service is another proven link building technique. On-page optimization is the art of creating a site structure and content that is search engine friendly. Because search engines gather information through spiders, automated programs that randomly visit websites and report back to the search engine, making it easy for spiders to find all of your site's relevant information is a must. Some of the things search engine spiders look for are title tags, meta description tags, meta keyword tags, the amount of content and age of information, the date information was last edited, and a sitemap. The title tag is a required HTML element and is the most important on-page factor for search engine ranking. Search engine results also use it for the title of your site. Each page should have a title tag of less than 65 characters that summarizes its content. A meta description tag's content appears under the title tag in search engine results. It should provide information specific to the page, such as product details, special offers, or sales messages. A meta description tag should clock in under 155 characters. A meta keyword tag contains all the keywords for a page. Keywords should be restricted to words that appear in the title tag or on the page itself. Keyword tags should be limited to 10 to 15 words. Words and phrases are separated with commas, with no space between. Title, meta description, and meta keyword tags all belong between the opening and closing head tags of your page. The best page content contains between 400 and 700 words, has fewer than 50 outbound or external links, and is updated on a regular basis. A sitemap is an HTML or XML document that lists your site pages in a hierarchical manner and helps spiders find them all. Spiders look for your sitemap off your website's route. Minimize your use of JavaScript. HTML is a better choice for navigation, for example. And while Flash websites can look great, most search engines cannot read the information embedded in the Flash file. Better options are having two versions of the site, one Flash and one HTML, or using just a few Flash elements within an HTML site. To recap, if search engines design the perfect site, it would include title, meta description, and meta keyword tags, no more than 50 outbound links per page, HTML navigation, a sitemap, and limited Flash and JavaScript. We hope this video helps you create a search engine-friendly site that also increases your page rank. Now that you know the basics, use search engine visibility to implement these techniques and make your site more visible on the web.